out of here and we're going to check out the other little boat ramp before I have to head home. Look at that. That tide is so low. And don't even see it on the other side over there. There's like some fence posts over there and a sign. Now this is where I believe they used to walk the cattle across to Curtis Island on low tide. Pretty low. It's the lowest I've ever seen it. Oh, came, we saw. We'll turn around and make our way out. The people got some pretty good little shacks set up down here. Live the quiet life off the grid. Fresh fish, crabs. Is that it? No. Yep, there it is. Coming from the Narrows, where that fence ends. There, that's your road. It'll take you through to Rundle Range. There is another one up here on the right, a bit further up, and it's sort of in a bit of a quarry pit, and you can take that one through as well. I'll see if I can point it out. In there, that's it, up through the quarry pit there. A bit hard to see, I guess. I might just turn around and show you. Not too much difference in length to get to the Narrows if you come out on either of them. That's it there. I did hang that pink ribbon there on the tree. Not that tree, maybe that one over there, to try and remember. But yeah, that one there's the other road that'll take you through to Rundle Range. But we're not going that way, we're heading back out on the Narrows Road. no point getting too crazy on this road. There's lots of sharp little turns that sort of catch you out if you're not watching a map to see what's there. You'll be cruising down these quite fast, and all of a sudden those little right angle corners will just fuck you up. Alright, it's saying for me the best way to get back to Rockhampton is to go left and keep following the Narrows Road. But I'm going to turn right here on Matson Road, and that should give me a bit more bitumen and hopefully come out near Raglan on Old Station Road, I think it is. Now, if you're heading on this road, Google Maps is going to want you to go down Link Road. No, we'll keep going straight. Link Road takes you back to, can't remember the name of it now, but that is the entry into Rundle Range. So we'll keep going straight on Matson Road. We're on our way back from the Narrows. We don't want to go back in again and have to double back again. So we'll keep tracking on this road. Okay, get back onto Raglan Station Road here. Back onto the dirt. And we follow this through back out onto the Bruce Highway. Gonna move that fella. He's like, what the fuck are you? If you had taken Links Road, would have followed you, would have taken you all the way across to this, then you would have had to come back. So staying on the road that I stayed on, like Madison at the time, has brought me back to here. It's cut out all that stuff there. Saves a bit of backtracking, but this is where I start my backtracking here. I've done a big loop all the way around through into Rundle Range in the Narrows, and it's brought me back to here, so I'm going to backtrack here, probably back up to near the Bruce Highway. Okay, now this is where I want to see where this fucking road goes. Parsons Inn Road. So I can keep going straight to avoid going out on the highway. That's the Bruce Highway just over there. That would be fucking great. Well, looks like it says I can. I'll follow it on for a bit further. I've never been up here, so I'll just cruise along a bit more and see what it's like. Save me just going straight out onto the highway just yet. Just keep wanting me to double back, so I don't know, maybe you can't get through. Coming? Nope. Well, if I had gone that way, I would have missed the train. I don't know where that goes. Probably follow that all the way along too, I'd reckon, alongside the railway. So this is Raglan North, Raglan 1, so I've pretty much turned up on the Raglan road into Raglan.